In the past few years, air fryers, a whole new category of appliances, have popped up on store shelves. With their promise to cook up crispy yet juicy foods, without all that unhealthy fat, they sound too good to be true. Well, we're here to tell you that the best of them can live up to the hype. Here's our new and updated take on top 5 best air fryer that you can buy. As always, links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get started. In 5th number on our best air fryer list, we have the GoWISE Electric Air Fryer.
GoWISE USA would like to introduce the 5.8 quart XL Airfryer with rapid air technology. The best part is that it uses little to no oil to cook dinners fast.
Smart programs, fries, pork, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish, and pizza.
This air fryer offers a wide range of temperatures from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To use the alarm function, press the alarm icon on the display. This function will give you a 5, 10, or 15-minute option. Once you have the alarm set, press the power button to resume the cooking cycle. If you want to make changes to a cook cycle, press the pause start button. 4 dots on the cooker will blink repeatedly. Make your changes to the time and temperature, and when you're ready to resume, press the pause start button to return to the cook cycle. To remove the basket, push the button guard forward with your thumb and pull upward. When resetting, make sure the button guard slides back over the button to ensure that the basket does not slip out of the cook. All of our air fryers come with a recipe book that has 50 introductory recipes to get you familiar with your air fryer. Air frying offers a healthier and easier way to cook in 30 minutes or less. The menu button to select one of the 8 presets. Then press the power button to start the cook cycle. You and your family will love the GoWISE USA 5.8 quart air fryer.
In number 4, we have for you is the T-fal ActiFry Air Fryer.
This is you. This is your sidekick for healthy meals. The T-fal ActiFry with exclusive dual motion technology. There's no manual mixing or shaking. All the crunch you want with little to no oil. Delicious is served. The T-fal ActiFry, a healthier way to prepare fried foods.
How about eating fries without feeling guilty? New ActiFry Express by T-fal. With just 1 spoonful of oil and thanks to its exclusive technology, you can prepare low-fat fries quickly, as well as many other delicious meals. Ideas you can't live without.
In 3rd number on our best air fryer list, we have for you is the Philips XL Airfryer. In number 2, we have for you is the BLACK+DECKER Airfryer.
Make guilt-free fried foods in your own home with the BLACK+DECKER Purify Airfryer. Equipped with dual-fan convection technology, the Purify requires little to no oil, giving you the crispy fried food taste without the added fat. Customize your cooking with variable temperature controls up to 400 degrees and a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff. The frying basket holds up to 2 liters of food, making it easy to cook for the whole family. And cleanup is quick and easy with the dishwasher-safe fry basket. The BLACK+DECKER Purify Airfryer, the perfect way to enjoy crispy fried foods with all the flavor and none of the guilt.
In number 1, we have for you is the Philips Airfryer HD 9621. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, all products links are in the description down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. We always appreciate you for watching us. Thank you.